Hey everyone, I'm Shane.
I'm Ian, and this is how to make deer jerky. Deer jerky is environmentally friendly because it controls deer populations, which there's an overpopulation in eastern North Carolina, prevents car accidents, tastes good, doesn't have any growth hormones or chemicals slash steroids in it because they're just like eating from the woods, and then it uses little power to preserve it because it's been dried. And then how to do it: you got to kill a deer. You got to get the deer processed and skinned. You have to get the meat cut that you want and then cut it into thin slices. And then once you do that, you need to make your marinade, which is...
So you marinate for 30 minutes to 24 hours. You dry for 6 to 10 hours. And when it's ready, it's supposed to crack but not completely break. And then you can store in airtight bags in a cool, dry place.
And then the recipe for the marinade is...
It is 1 teaspoon of pepper black, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a fourth of a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of hickory liquid smoke.
It's Worcestershire sauce.
There you go.
And then once you get it, you can either use this, which is a dehydrator. It basically just sucks all the moisture out of the meat, and then it'll suck the marinade into the meat so it tastes good. Or if you have to, you can use an oven, or you can make a rack and dry it in the sun if you want to really conserve power and stuff.
Be environmentally friendly.
Yep.
And so that is how you make deer jerky.
Alright, well, most of the jerky's done. Still got a few pieces that need to finish, but this is what the finished product should look like. See how it cracks? That's what it should end up looking like, but yep, that's pretty much done.
Thanks for watching.